Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to share files and folder in your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So you just need to follow me. At first, please click on folder and choose which file you want to share to other computer. I choose new share folder to share folder. So click on right mouse and after then click on show more options. After then click on properties and then click on sharing. Then click on share and choose whom you want to access or sharing folder. I choose everyone and click add. Then click share button and type your password for security purpose. So you see that the folder is sharing here. Done. And again you want to see that advanced sharing option. Permission, click on permission and you can choose here right can change permission, read permission or full permission or allow all permission. Apply. Okay, okay, okay. So you have done. Now if you want to see that your folder is sharing or not, you can copy your computer name from here or note your computer IP. Then right click on start button and click on run, then paste here and click OK. So you see that your folder is sharing. You have done now. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for next videos. Thank you.